Hello, this is Chris, and today I'm going to talk about what expanded form of decimal numbers are. So, I drew an example of 6.33. So, 6.33. This is our example today, and I'm going to talk about what expanded form of 6.33 is. So, 6.33 is 6 plus 0.3 plus 0.03, which means this this period, if you're showing the expanded form, you gotta put like the zero in front of whatever you're showing. So 6, there's nothing in front of 6, so you don't need a 0. And 3, you need a 0, you need 2. So if you like this video, please subscribe and bye.